So hello everyone, my name is Yaasar and in this video we'll look into how to create and manage a P3 Express project in QPunch. So to create a P3 Express project, first click on the drop down menu here and select the new P3 Express project. Now here fill in the project name, example website design, and select the duration, add a budget, and you can also write a project description with purpose and requirement here. And once added, you can also add an image here and then click on the create button. Now once the project has been created, scroll down, click on the Gantt chart, click on the import button and navigate to deliverable import. Now here you can fill in the deliverable details as punch title, start date, progress percentage and the planned days for the deliverable. Like in this case, the deliverable detail will be requirement gathering, start date will be 1st November 2025 and 7% progress at the duration of 1 day. Now also make sure to add each deliverable in individual row or to properly import it. Now in this case, the second deliverable will be assign project roles 23rd November 2025, 10% progress and for 2 days. Now once the deliverable details have been added, click on the import button. Now once the deliverables are imported, close this and now you can edit the deliverables by double clicking on them. Now you can add the labels, add a type, add in file or image to it, and write in a description for the deliverable with purpose and quality criteria. In this case, assign roles properly to tester developer with clear responsibilities to support on-time project initiation. Now once the details have been updated, close this deliverable and go to the Kanban board. Now once inside the Kanban board, click on the create punch button, add in the deliverable title, website UI design, assign it, select a label and write in a short description. Like in this case, the description will be create a website UI design so we can review it with the stakeholders. Now once the details have been added, click on the create button. Now if you want to maintain a follow-up for this deliverable, click on the project setting, go to the follow-up tab. Now once inside the follow-up register, click on the plus icon, add in the follow-up title, write in a description for the follow-up register, select a deliverable to link it and click on save button. Now once the follow-up for this deliverable has been added, click on the web project name. Once inside the project dashboard, click on progress report. Now scroll down to the follow-up section. Now click on the follow-up deliverable. Now here you can view or modify the deliverable follow-up details. Now you can update the current status, select a new deliverable and just click on create. Now go back to the Kanban board. Now you can also group multiple sub deliverables under a parent deliverable, and to do so click on the create punch, go to parent deliverable and write in the deliverable parent deliverable title phase 1 example here. Now here you have two options. You can either add an existing sub deliverable into the parent deliverable example here, or you can create a new sub deliverable example review website UI design, assign it to someone, select the start date and write in a short description for it. And once that add the details have been added, click on the create button. Now once the sub deliverables are added into the parent deliverable, click on the create button. As you can see here, both the parent deliverable and the sub deliverables have been added to the project. Now you can double click on any of the imported sub deliverables to view or modify its details.